guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Elle. I make beauty videos here on YouTube and I post lots of makeup related stuff over on my Instagram, so go give that a follow too. Anyways, if you aren't new to my channel, if you are already a subscriber, hi again. Today's video is a little beauty haul. It's not a massive one, I've not got that much stuff, I've just got a few items that I thought I'd come on here and show you because why not? So let's just jump straight into it. Like I said, there's not that many products, it's probably not going to be a very long video, just a few little things that I've purchased recently that I thought I'd show you. So let's go. So some of it's skincare, so I'll start off with the skincare stuff first. So I can't get this one out of the box, wow. Before I show you the skincare stuff, actually let me just show you what motivated me to get the skincare stuff. So I recently got this little baby. So this is the book Skincare by Caroline. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her surname right. Hirons or Hirons, I really don't know, I'm so sorry, can't pronounce names. But yeah, this is like the skincare Bible. If you haven't got this and you want to start looking after your skin, go and buy it because I think it's like a tenner or something like that. It's not expensive whatsoever, it's amazing. I've not finished all of it yet because I'm trying to read it in sections, because I know for me personally, when I'm trying to like read information and take information in, after a while it just sort of goes in and then straight back out, so I have to just read it like sections of it at a time to really make sure I'm really taking it all in, because I don't want to miss anything and like something not go in. I really want to learn everything I can that's in this book. So yeah, so this is what I'm currently reading right now and it's amazing. But anyway, so this is what's motivated me to get these skincare items that I have purchased. So I'm going to start off with, what should I start off with? So I've got two things from the same brand and then the other one is just separate brands. So I'll start off with the random one first. So I was running out of a moisturiser and I used to use one from Mario Badescu. I keep seeing loads of things saying Mario Badescu aren't that good of a skincare brand, so I wanted to like sort of steer away from them and try something else. So I've purchased this, it's from Dr. Botanicals, I think that's how you say it. It's the Kale Superfood Nourishing Day Moisturiser. This is what it looks like. The reason I bought this is because it's got kale in it, and it says here that kale is high in vitamin C and vitamin E, and they both work to nourish and protect the skin, and it does also have cocoa butter in there as well, which we all know is really good for the skin. So this is what it looks like. I got this off of Beauty Bay. I can't remember how much this is. You get 60 ml of product. Is it 60 ml? Yeah, you get 60 ml of product in here. I think it was on offer. I want to say it was like £22 on offer, but I can't remember. I have my invoice. So, oh no, it wasn't. It was £15.50, so it must have been like £22 something full price, because it was discounted and it cost £15.50. So that's what the case looks like. So obviously just got your little stopper. And this, I've not used this yet, but I smelled this earlier. And it just smells so fresh. Like it just, you can smell kale in there, to be honest, if I'm completely honest. It just smells amazing. Oh, I cannot wait to get that all over my skin, but I'll let you know how this one goes, how it is, because I've got super dry skin, so I'll let you know how this turns out, and if it's any good or not, I'll keep you posted. But yeah, super excited to try that as soon as I was running out of my moisturiser. Anyway, I literally ran out of it this morning. So I'm glad Hermes came through with the delivery this morning. Thank God. Next are both products from The Ordinary. So also been running out of makeup remover, so I thought I would try this, and I am not gonna lie, I have no idea how to pronounce this. I have no idea how to say that. Squalane cleanse. I'm not going to attempt it again because I really don't know how to pronounce that. This is 150 ml. You can get a smaller one as well, but I got the larger one, and this one cost £13.95. Again, this was discounted as well, so I don't really know what the full price of it is, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Really nice squeezy tube. Yeah, I don't know what I'm on about. So yeah, this is just really good for removing makeup. I'm sure it's supposed to be hydrating as well. So it says here, it cleans the surface, removes makeup and supports surface hydration, which is why I wanted to give it a go, because yeah, I needed a new makeup remover, one that really does get my makeup off. So I thought I'll give this one a go, because my last one kind of got it off but kind of didn't get it off, so I thought I'd try something new, and that's this. So again, I will let you know how this one goes too. Hopefully it's good. since reading this skincare book by Caroline, I've been like more looking at ingredients and stuff, so checking out the ingredients in things. But yeah, so I'll let you know how that one goes too. Then the last item of skincare is also from The Ordinary, and it's the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, a hydrating support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. So it's vegan. You get 30 ml of product in this, and it was $5.95, so that's like nothing. I feel like I think that was discounted as well. I don't know if that's its normal price or if that's discounted, I don't know. $5.95, that's nothing. So yeah, since reading this, and she's talking about like acids, like soups you can use that have got acid in them, and I was like, do you know what, I really need something like that. So, you know, and I need that hyaluronic acid on my skin to hydrate and hold in that moisture. So yeah, I thought I would give this a go. I'm sure in this book she did mention B5 as well, so yeah, thought I'd give that a go. It's just got like a little pipette. Do you know what, I've not smelled this or the cleanser actually. Okay, it doesn't really have a smell. That doesn't have a smell. What about the cleanser? I can't really smell anything from the cleanser, but maybe it'd be different when I actually squeeze some out, and I can't really be bothered to do that right now because I want to wait until I actually remove the makeup later. But I'll keep you posted on how I get on with those three, because like I said, I've not actually used either, well, I've not actually used any of those yet, so I am excited to give them a go, and I'll let you know how I get on with them. I'm trying to like build on my skincare, so obviously now I've got like a moisturiser, acid and makeup remover to try out. I also want to like start and look for a really nice face wash and like a night cream, a really good eye cream, and toner as well. Like I do have those items, but they're probably not the best ever, so I want to get some much better ones, you know. The other two items I got, there are only two other items, sorry guys, and they are both makeup items. So me and my boyfriend went to Meadowhall, was it on Tuesday? So basically we went to Meadowhall because I was going to Optical Express because I do wear glasses. So for those of you that don't know me, I can't talk. For those of you that don't know me, I actually do wear glasses all the time. I obviously just don't wear them when I'm doing my makeup and when I'm filming for obvious reasons, because you just get like a glare from my glasses, so I just take them off to film. But you know what? I am pretty much blind, so I really can't see anything, so I just have to hope for the best when I've finished filming. Without my glasses, I can't really see much. My right eye is absolutely terrible. So anyway, long story short, I was going to Optical Express because I had a consultation about surgery, about eye surgery, because they do three different types. They do they do laser eye, lens enhancement, and then what's known as like lens replacement or cataracts, which is something you'd have when you're older anyway. You can't have that until you're 45 or above. So it was just to see if I was suitable for either of the other two, laser eye or lens enhancement. I already knew I couldn't have laser eye. They've told me in the past I couldn't have laser eye, but that was like 2 or 3 years ago, so I was going again just in case anything had changed, because technology changes all the time and it always advances. Anyways, turns out I can't have any of the 3 surgeries. My eyes, well obviously I can't have cataract surgery anyway because I'm not 45, but the other 2, laser eye and lens replacement, basically with the guidelines they've got, my eyes are literally just outside, so I can't actually have an operation on my eyes, which was just brilliant. So I was a little bit disappointed. I realised in that moment I was definitely Chandler when they told me the news, and I was like making jokes. I was like obviously upset and disappointed, but I was like making jokes. I was like, oh well, that's gonna save us some money, stuff like that, because you know. Long story short, so after that little bit of disappointment, I don't know if anyone's been in Meadowhall at the moment, with the whole COVID thing going on, but there are only 2 exits in Meadowhall, which is Debenhams and Boots. So you have to exit either through Debenhams or Boots. Because of where Optical Express is as well, it's close to Boots, so we were parked like in the Boots car park. So obviously we went through Boots to exit Meadowhall. Obviously Boots have a makeup department, obviously, and then Daniel was like, oh, I'll go on to cheer you up, I'll buy some makeup. I was like, yay. So to cheer me up, he bought me some makeup, which was amazing. So the first thing I got, which I was so excited about because I did not even realise they sold this brand in the Boots in Meadowhall. I thought the closest I could actually go and get it was in Manchester Art Nail Centre, but they have Morphe. I literally saw it, I was like, oh my god, they have Morphe. Life is made. No, it's not made, but anyways, I was super excited, and I thought, do you know what, I need to get the continuous setting mist because I've been wanting this for so long. and they had it in stock, so I was like, I'm definitely getting that. I think it's like £15, I want to say, I think, but this is what it looks like. I have used this for the first time today because I filmed a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing at the minute, so I don't know which is going to go first, this haul or the tutorial. I don't know, maybe the haul will go first, just so you know. I have done a tutorial on this look, so that will be up at some point as well. But yeah, I used this for the first time today and it was amazing. It smells amazing. It smells like holidays. It's like a really, really subtle scent. It's nothing too strong, but it does smell amazing. It just reminds me of holidays and like being on holiday, which makes me really, really happy. And like, it's obviously that continuous mist as well, so it doesn't, do you know how some sprays, especially like Fix Plus from MAC, like you spray it and it just sort of like, you just get like the little droplets like spit out at your face and like ruin your makeup a little bit, which is not nice. But obviously this is a continuous mist, so it's just a really nice mist on the face. And in this weather, it felt amazing because it's red hot in this room. It's like 31 degrees today, and then I've got my lights up as well for filming, which has made this room really, really hot. I have the windows open, so if you can hear things outside, I'm sorry, but your gal needs to cool down a little bit. It's hot. This isn't highlight, this is sweat. Just saying, it's sweat. Anyways, but yeah, so far I'm absolutely loving this. Obviously we'll see how it works, if it makes my makeup last longer. I mean, my makeup did look better after applying it. It looked just more like non-powdery and like non-cakey, if that makes sense. It just looked a bit healthier, a bit more skin-like, more hydrated. So I was already impressed just from first application. We'll see how it does for, oh my god, I just nearly dropped it. We'll see how it does for actually keeping my makeup on, so I'll keep you posted on that one, see how that goes. And then the last product I got, which is another thing I've been wanting for so long, because I've got the foundation, I've been wanting the concealer for ages, but I was like, that's expensive for a concealer. So I got the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I got mine in the shade Sand. It looks really light there, but I'm wearing it now. So I've used this twice now. I used it yesterday and I've applied it today as well, and I think it looks really, really nice and brightening. It looks lighter in here than it does when it's blended out for some reason, I don't know. But yeah, so you get, how much product do you get in this? So you get 15ml of product for £25, and do you know what, 15ml does sound, sorry, £25 sounds like a lot of money, but like for 15ml of product, like most foundations are only 30ml, so that's not too bad, you know, it's not too bad. And then it just comes with, it's like a doe foot applicator, as you can see, really nice chunky applicator, which I love. It's a super full coverage, so yeah, I'm really loving this. I'm loving how it's applied. The past 2 days when I've used it, I've absolutely loved the way it's gone on, the way it's blended out, the coverage it gives. So again, I'm just going to keep using it and see how I get on with it, see what it's like for like longevity and creasing, stuff like that. But so far, super impressed and I'm absolutely loving it. That's it. That's everything that, oh wait, just to show you, I also got these earrings. This is not like makeup or skincare related, but I got these earrings. I've been wanting hoop earrings for ages, but I never really bought any. I don't know why, I just never got any. And then the other day I was in Asda doing my food shop, as you do, and I walked past like obviously I sell like clothes in like Asda, like George, they have George, don't they, where they sell clothes and stuff. I was like walking past and I just saw the earrings. I was like, why not? Why not? Why not? So they cost £3 and you get 3 pairs. You get the bigger ones that I'm wearing, these ones, and then the tiny ones. But you know what? I thought that was pretty good. £3 for like 3 pairs of different sized hoops. I thought they were pretty cute, and hoops are hoops, you know what I mean? Like, who cares where they're from? I hate when people like judge people for buying things from certain places. Like, do you know what? If I can find something nice in Asda or Tesco, I'll buy it. I really don't care. Don't get me wrong, I've never really found any clothes to buy from there yet, but I wouldn't rule it out. But yeah, I thought they were just cute. Like, they're just hoop earrings. They're just standard basic hoop earrings. That's why I bought them, because, you know. That is everything that I purchased recently. Like I said, not a really massive haul, just like a few little bits that I wanted to show you. But yeah, I will let you know how I get on with the skincare. That is something I'm really excited to try, some new skincare that makes me happy. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. And yeah, that is literally all for today's video. I just wanted to show you those few bits. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this video, if you want to see more hauls, which could be expensive for me if you do, so I hope you don't want to see loads, because I ain't got that much money, okay? I can't keep doing hauls, but you know. But yeah, let me know what kind of videos you do want to see on my channel. Just leave any suggestions in the comment section down below and I'll get to filming them. Yeah, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've tried any of these products out and what you think of them. If you love, if you hate, let me know. And yeah, that is all for today. So like I said, please give this a video a huge thumbs up if you did like it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.